Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Today we are not making samosas, but how about using the same filling that goes into a samosa and making patties with puff pastry sheets. It is easy, convenient and less laborious than making samosas. I will first make a dry roast using some whole spices. In a pan kept over low heat, I added some coriander seeds and cumin seeds. Stir them continuously till they become fragrant and turns a shade darker in color. But see to it that the color doesn't become too dark, as that will make them bitter. Transfer them to a mortar and pestle and grind them. Do not grind them too fine. Here see, we are looking for this kind of a situation. Next, heat a pan over medium-high heat. Add a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil heats up, add chopped green chilies. Samosas are a bit spicy, so adjust the green chilies depending on your liking. Then add grated ginger. Stir for a few seconds. Then I added some thawed out frozen green peas. Next comes the main ingredient, that is the potatoes. Here I had already boiled and peeled the potatoes. Just roughly break the potatoes and add them to the pan. Do not mash them too fine, as you still need that texture, or else it will taste like mashed potatoes, and personally I do not like that. Add some salt. Next comes the dry spices, the cumin and coriander spice blend, red chili flakes, and amchur powder. Amchur powder is dried raw mango powder. It has this sour kind of taste, but do not worry if it's unavailable at your place. Just use a teaspoon of lemon juice. Stir everything for about 5 minutes. Then take it off heat and allow it to cool completely. My potato mixture has cooled down completely, so coming to the filling part now. Sprinkle some flour on your work surface. I am using store-bought pastry sheets. Follow the package directions to thaw out the sheets, but your sheets should still be quite cold while working with it, or else the butter will melt and it will be quite hard to manage. I usually thaw them in my refrigerator and take them out just before using. Roll it out gently without adding much pressure. Here I am using an egg yolk mixed with a tablespoon of water. You can apply just plain water. Please resist your temptation from filling up too much, as it will be hard to fold. I have this bad habit of overfilling, so I end up having a hard time while folding. Use a fork to crimp the sides. Finally, apply some egg wash. The egg wash is totally optional. It gives a shiny look to the end product, so I like using it. Now bake them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until they turn golden brown. After 20 minutes, here are the golden beauties. It's crispy and flaky on the outside with the delicious potato filling bursting with flavor from all those spices. At the same time, it is easy to make, fast and convenient. This is Bumbi and thanks for joining me. Take care, my friends. Bye bye.